guys, I have some terrible news, and it actually is fantastic news for you because you probably don't know that over the past year, I've been building out a car giveaway to give back to the 1.2 million subscribers on this YouTube channel. And unfortunately, no one has really entered. And so I guess the good news is that if you do want to enter, well, you have incredible odds to win my dream car. Now, I sourced this car about 6 months ago, and it's always been my dream car. You guys probably don't know what it is since I love Porsches so much, but it's the Porsche competitor. It is the Nissan GTR. And let me tell you guys, as much as I love this thing, I never thought in a million years I would love it as much as I actually do. And before we get into what I've done to this car and what it means to me and how it could be your dream car too, I just thought I'd want to make a video that kind of takes you through a day in the life of giving away a car. And so not only are we going to film a couple of videos with this thing, you know, ads and all that stuff, but we're going to make this thing absolutely shoot flames. Now, this is an R35 GT-R, and the inspiration came from, well, a movie that you guys probably have all seen. Can you guess it? Yes. Look at this cover, you guys. I mean, doesn't that bring back a bunch of feels? And the Bayside Blue was definitely the color that had to go on this GTR. Now, obviously, stock, they have about 500, 600 horse, but this thing is pumping out over 700 horsepower to all four wheels. And the all-wheel drive system is absolutely incredible. Obviously, we had to toss on a big old exhaust that literally, guys, you can fit your fist through. Yeah, so, you know, do what you want with that. Also, this car is absolutely dripping in carbon. This is my favorite tail. I know there's big wing gang guys out there, but this thing actually makes this car look longer and more like a missile than maybe like a big wing. And then obviously you have the underglow, which you can turn off if you win it, but you know, I think it looks pretty good. And it has like 20 or 30 different colors. With the giveaway, you also have to give cash because the cash will cover your taxes, your licensing, all that good stuff. So there's 10,000 bucks just sitting right there. And this is actually one of our best-selling tees ever. So I know this isn't a manual, so it's kind of sacrilege, but yes, this Save the Manual shirt. And this is really premium product, you guys. I went all out on the product. Not only is the decal here, it's super comfy. My wife definitely loves sleeping in these things, but I like wearing them because they look sick, and the material, it's all printed in the USA. So, you know, it's, well, okay quality. No, it's fantastic. I'm kidding. But yeah, this car absolutely slaps, and it literally is the biggest dick magnet I've ever driven. So you guys are probably wondering why a car giveaway, and there's a couple of reasons. The first is, you guys remember Girth Brooks, my wide body Audi R8. I can't tell you how difficult it was to actually sell that thing, and I love all you guys, but the amount of comments I got, well, DMs I guess, about, oh, it's Brad Danger, oh, it's, you know, like, will you take some fries and a quarter pounder? Like, it was cool, but it flooded my inbox, and so I actually couldn't really filter through to find people that actually were interested in the car. And this is something, as an influencer across the board, it's really difficult to sell your car because, well, you're kind of giving people access to direct message you. And again, I love all the fans and all the support, but at the same time, it just becomes a hurdle when you sell something, especially something that unique. And so I was like, why not build cars for the community that's given me literally my dream job for the last 8.5 years, and then just give them away? And so really what this is to thank you guys for all the support over the 8.5 years. And personally, I want to build some badass cars for you, some ideal cars that you can win for as little as $1. And I just think that, you know, for less than a cup of coffee to be able to win my dream car, which is probably your dream car as well, it's a pretty good deal. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes really quick on how to shoot a viral ad for advertising your giveaway or whatever you're advertising. One sec. Okay, even better, our brand new member, the newest member of the Ideal team, Siena, is here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to introduce you, but let me take you behind the scenes of a couple of shots that we got for a couple of ads we filmed with her. Now, yeah, when you take on a project this big, you can't just do it alone. And that is why I asked one of my best friends, Josh, if he would help me. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, you need somebody out there that's going to make sure that they say yay or nay when you have these crazy ideas, which I just am an idea guy. I love it. But he is one that puts rhyme and reason into the ideas that I come up with. And I just want him to tell you a little bit more about the giveaways and the sketchy ones that you shouldn't enter and why ours is 100% legal. I've already said too much. Let me introduce you. Dude, what are you doing? Okay, so this is my boyfriend. He's actually the one that wrapped this car, and he's done wrap work on all my cars and literally is one of the best in the biz. But over here, this is my boy, Josh, and he is kind of the yin to the yang. And he's the guy that kind of went through the whole compliance thing. So dude, tell everybody a little bit more about like what we had to do to make this thing 110% legal.
Yeah, it turns out that it's surprisingly more difficult to actually do a car giveaway than you would think. We ended up partnering with the National Sweepstakes Company. They make sure that everything that we do is completely legal and legitimate. They are responsible for randomly choosing the winner.
Sweet.
They got us bonded in Florida and in New York, which was a requirement to be 50 state compliant. They got us all set up in Canada.
Sick.
Except for Quebec.
Yeah.
My apologies to everyone who lives there.
Well, so should we show them like what the giveaway car can do? You know, like what its secret party trick is?
The bottom line is somebody is winning this car.
Heck yeah.
And we can't wait to see you.
Look at this thing, you guys. And so, dude, you are so disgusting. All right, what is one of the things that you absolutely hate about this giveaway car, dude?
I can't win it because I worked on it. So I'm affiliated.
Oh, yeah. You need to put on an ideal shirt, dude. I was showing everybody this sick ass shirt, but actually we have some other incredible swag as well. This is a collab with Champion and it is so comfy. Your girlfriend would love sleeping in it. Then we have the Need Money for Lambo shirt. We got a nice little Instagram. This one is so sick. It actually says hell instead of shell. And there's a couple more back there, but all right, we're gonna get this thing fired up and then we are gonna take it for a rip and we're gonna show you guys some insane fireballs and some of the stuff that we're doing for some of the ads that we're doing for the ideal giveaway. And how good's that sandwich?
Pretty fire.
Really?
Yeah, not as fire as that though.
Yee. We got the R35 GT-R. Look at how good that thing looks, you guys. I'm telling you, it literally shows off day or night. It's literally the best looking car and one of the most fun cars I've ever driven. Let's get her on the road. Now what I found with a mic, the easiest way to get audio is actually just clip it right onto, oh, it's so hard with one hand. I should probably just do it this way, huh? There we go. But yeah, now it picks up audio from the exhaust and just hook it up to the camera and we good to go. I mean, if you're not getting Fast and Furious vibes right now, I don't know what planet you live on, because I mean, this thing right here is so sick. I absolutely love the livery. Obviously, we're gonna try to get some photos and some video. Thanks for coming, Fran. And then of course, we got our guy right here, Mr. Flamethrower, Josh. Bam. All right, so let's see if we can get a couple of flames. Okay, so we just got some epic footage of this thing shooting some fireballs, and now we're gonna go to a location that you will remember as a kid going to rent that. Where are we going, folks? Yeah. Okay, I know you guys definitely know Blockbuster. That is where Fast and Furious originally, well, you could rent it. And guys, I'm pretty impressed by Fran's ingeniousness of using the headlights on his car and my car, and now this car right here, to be able to light up the night in this Bayside Blue R35 GT-R. That is our giveaway car. So if you guys want to win this car and you enjoyed this video, well, hit the like button and hit the link in the pinned first comment. There's only days left until this car is going to somebody new. And so, you know, what do you think of this car? Does it remind you of the Fast and Furious? I think I rented this actually like 20 years ago from Blockbuster. Can I return it while I have a late fee?
You know, you might have gotten away with a perfect crime.
Really?
Because now it is erased from our system.
No way.
All yours?
Oh, you're the best. Thank you.
Of course.
Do you want to win that car?
Yes.
Really? We're giving it away. Come take a quick look. Come on. Really quick. Yeah. What do you think? Sit in it.
Sure?
No, I'm kidding. You can, totally. Yeah, you go like that. Perfect. All right, pretend you just won this. There you.
Day of my life.
All right, yeah, you can keep the movie then. Oh, yeah, you can actually win this. Go to winthisidealcar.com, get entered, and well, there you go. No, it's a no. It's an auto tragic. Yeah, you love it.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
This is sweet.
Well, and that's why we had to come Blockbuster, because the Fast and Furious inspired it.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you gonna you're gonna actually enter? Oh. All right, guys, get entered as soon as you can, because what's your name? Jean. If she doesn't win it, well then maybe one of you will. So again, click the like button and click the pin first comment down below and get entered before your dream car, this R35 GT-R, is gone forever. Love you guys. Oh, keep living the ideal lifestyle.